Good evening everyone. This video is about to showcase about how to get the API key from Gemini in order to use my website or the simulations in my website. Okay, there were 3 simulations. By this time you would have gone through it. Let me show you what are those simulations. So these were the simulations that you would have looked into. For example, if I want to use IA Mentor, okay, here it is asking for a Gemini API key. Now I will show you how to get a Gemini API key so that you can start using this one here. So what you do is you can go to a new browser, new web page, and just type in Google as Gemini API key. Okay, these are the keywords that you need to put it across. When you do this and enter, so you will get Google Gemini API, Google API. The third link you can see Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio API key. Click on this. This will now open a new page and will ask you for sign in. So now give your input email ID. I'll give an input my email ID. I'll say wait for some time. Okay, now you get this page. Now what you can do is you can click on this one here, get API key. So click on this, it will ask you for 2 checkboxes. Click on these 2 and then click on I accept. When you do this, you get this so much over here. Still you have no API key over here. So what you need to do is you can click on create API key. So click on create API key. Now it is generating an API key. API key is like an ATM card CVC number. So see to it that you keep it safely. Don't share it with anybody else. Okay, I got my API key. I'll copy it and close it. See, it's 2 API keys I have generated anyway, but I just want to have only one of them. Okay, I've got my API key now. Now what I will do is I can go back to my website. I can go here, click here. It's been shown as stars. It doesn't show you anything, and click on stars.
Good evening. I am your physics IA mentor, Dr. Radhankar Rao. I'm here to help you with the challenge of finding the right idea for your internal assessment. To begin,